Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and thanks for liking the video which I have uploaded in Python. Today I have taken the topic of arithmetic operators. I have uploaded few videos 2-3 days before and you have liked my video, so now I have decided to upload the videos on Python from scratch so that you can learn it from beginning. So stay tuned to my channel and I'll be uploading more videos in this series. So today I am going to discuss about the arithmetic operators in Python. As we have fond of maths, so we use many symbols in maths like plus, minus, multiplication, division, which are called as arithmetic operators in Python. I'll be discussing about that. So before I discuss it, I would like to tell you that what is code and why do we need to write a code for performing any kind of instructions. As we are living in this digital world where we are very much fond of, or you can say in a habit of giving the instruction to the devices which have been introduced as you can say mobile phones and Android phones, in which there are many apps so like Google Assistant, and which makes our work very easy, and we are very fond of giving the instruction and getting our work done. So we can easily do that with this computer as well. And for computer we have a programming language which is Python, on which we will be writing the instruction. So now to connect to any type of app, or you can say any kind of software, we need to talk with them in their language, right? As suppose if you are speaking in English and the other person with whom you are talking, the person is also speaking in English, then it is very flexible. The conversation becomes very nice and people can easily talk. So same goes here with the programming language as well. So we need to understand the Python language to write the code in Python. So how we can write the code in Python? We as a human being, as a user, we know only English language to write the code. However, the machine level language is 0 and 1, which is understandable by the computer. So Python is a mediator in between of language, wherein the interpreter will convert our language to the binary language, and then the work will be done easily. So let us begin with writing the code, and I'll show you some basic arithmetic operations today, with which it will be very easy to write a single line of code and check the output, which will be very useful in further programming which we will be doing in Python. So let us begin. Python, you need to open the ideally mode of Python, which you can go to the if you have installed the Python into your computer system, you can go to the ideally mode, and let's see, I am writing here 2 plus 5, which gives me the answer 7. So whenever you are writing the program, just before pressing the enter, think about the output, what output you are expecting, and then press enter and match the output with your calculation. Now let's say we will do the subtraction 7 minus 6. So obviously I am expecting 1, so here the answer comes 1. Now let's do multiplication. 7 into 8, 56. So we are getting the correct output, right? It is very easy and fun to learn Python. It is the most easiest language wherein whatever you are thinking you can do it. So now we have done division. 12 by 3, so it gives 4. So let's say if I have divided, it is giving me the quotient which is 4. What about the remainder? 13 by 3, again it is giving me 4. Now if the number is not successfully divided, obviously we are getting the remainder. So to store the remainder or to get the remainder in any programming language, we have the modulus sign, which is the percentage sign. It is also called as the mod operator or modulus operator. By using that sign you can get the remainder. So let's say I have written 13 modulus 3, so I am getting remainder 1. So you can work like this. It is very easy. Whatever you thought of, whatever calculation you want to do, you can easily write the code and do it. Let's do some decimal form calculation. So if I have written here 12.7 by 9, so it is giving me the answer in fractional form. Earlier whatever answer we have got, it was in integer form, and now we got the answer in float form. The decimal form is called as float form in Python programming language. So whenever the answer comes in a fractional form or a decimal form, it is float. Now let us do some other calculation. If I want to use all the arithmetic operators in one line, then we have to use a print function here, and I am doing here print 2 into 7 plus 8. So what answer we are expecting? The answer we will get 22, because it follows the BODMAS rule. Obviously the multiplication will be done first and then it will add. You can enjoy more calculations here, but if you want to perform the addition part first and then multiplication, then obviously you have to divide it by using the bracket, and you can write here print 2 plus 7 into 8 or whatever number you like, then it gives 72. So this is how it works. The rule goes same as the BODMAS rule in maths. You can do any calculation of maths in Python. And let's do some other calculation now. So we have seen that how the arithmetic operators work on numbers. Now let us see what is how does it works on string. Then what is string? My name is a string, or you can say any particular alphabets which is written or enclosed in a single quote or double quote can be called as string. You can see here default, copyright, credits, these all are called as a string. Any name, anything can be called as string. So let's perform some operation. Let's have some fun with the string or the text also. Now we'll come to the prompt, and again I am writing here Python enclosed in a single quote. You can use double quote as well. So it has given me the output as Python. So if I am using the print function along with the print command, I have written Python. Now it is giving me the string as Python, but there is no inverted comma, no single quote is printed here. So this is the difference. When you write only the string, it will be printed as it is, and when you use the print command, it will be the string will be printed apart from the inverted comma, you can say single quote or the double quote. Now we print a few more string or a sentence within it. So let's say if I have to write something like this, like Pythons and then programming, Python, print Python inverted comma and then s and then programming. So let's see if I get the output as I'm expecting. It is showing me invalid syntax. Why? Because I have started the inverted comma from starting and then I have ended it here after n. Now one more inverted comma after the s till programming, at the end it is left behind. So that is what is giving me the error. So if I want to print the text like this, Pythons, then what I can do, I have to tell the Python that please ignore this inverted comma which is coming in between. For that I can use a backslash along with the inverted comma. So what it is going to do, it will print that inverted comma along with the Python text as it is. So where I need to use the backslash, I have to use it before the single quote. So before the single quote you can add a backslash sign and then you execute the command by pressing the enter and then see what happens. Now if I have given the backslash, and let's see what the output comes. Output is as expected, Python's programming. So this is how it works. If you want to print the single quote or double quote, so you can obviously use the backslash sign or along with the single quote or double quote if you want to print it as it is. So let's try and print something else. Can I use the arithmetic operator plus with the string? So I will try here. Let's write print and write the Python string enclosed in a single quote and then plus symbol and Python. So it is printing Python twice. So like this you can add the two strings as well, first name and last name, or any other example you can take. So what if I want to replicate the string 20 times or 30 times? So can I use a plus symbol 20-30 times? Yes, I can use, but it will be more complicated. So for that, to make it simple, I can write here print Python and then multiplication symbol and then 20. So it is printing the Python 20 times. That's all for today. I hope you have liked the video. Then subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and do share it so that others can also watch it. I'll be back again with a new topic very soon. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Bye-bye.